Presenting the Oppo A74 5G. The phone comes in color options of fantastic purple and fluid black. The phone has display of 6.49 inches inch, 16.5 centimeters, 2400 by 1080 pixels and body ratio of 90.5%. The phone also has FHD plus punch hole display, larger screen to body ratio and side fingerprint sensor. It has 48MP quad camera, 48MP main plus 2MP macro plus 2MP depth lens. It has 8MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. It has support LPDDR4X memory and 6GB RAM. 128GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 256GB. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, dual standby, 5G plus 5G, and connector type, USB Type-C. It runs on ColorOS 11.1 based on Android v11.0 operating system. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 485G GPU 619 at 650 MHz support 5G SIM and powerful 2 GHz octa-core processor. It also features gamer mode, dual SIM and fingerprint sensor. Bigger battery and smartphone. The delivery box contains phone, USB cable and charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case and quick start guide.